अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय वीडियोस। यहाँ पे स्नो स्टार्ट हो गई हुई थी, इतनी स्नो लाइक आई विल टेल यू कि अब कैसे हालात हैं। लाइक सीरियसली मैन, इट वाज लाइक टू मच एंड माशाल्लाह। ये इस रूम का व्यू एंड लेट मी शो यू फ्रॉम दिस रूम। इट्स लाइक, ये देखिए, storm, some kind of storm. Just look at this. And I'm gonna get some grocery. Already Amish has brought so many things, but there were always few things left, so that I have to go and bring them.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Weather update. ये आई एग्स, ये चिकन एंड मुझे इनको ऑर्गेनाइज करना है फ्रिज में. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ, बिलीव मी. ओके, सबसे पहले मैंने इनमें क्या करना है, मैंने ये पुराने वाले निकाल देने हैं. इसमें कुछ सॉसेस आए हुए थे. दिस इज़ बारबेक्यू सॉस, इसको भी मैंने निकाला है एंड ये यहाँ पे पड़े रहेंगे. What's in making? We're gonna add chicken in it. One, two, and three. No! I can do it! Oh my god. ये है weather update. Fully covered with snow. And my babies are eating.
I am basically feeling like that. I am right now at Serena. उधर भी ऐसी है, देखो वाइट वाइट.
Serena. Naisha, let Baba eat. Wow. Oh my god, oh my god. 10 minutes you have. It's done. And now it's fully white outside. Like mashallah, mashallah, it feels so good, so beautiful. The glory of Almighty, mashallah. So I was at grocery and I've collected all the things for like 2 to 3 days because everything was gonna close for 2 days. सुनने में आया कि it was for the very first time the snow has fallen like too much, and they are gonna close all the things for 2 days because it's not easy to control all the things. All the stations, all the cities were fully blocked, fully covered with snow. So obviously it was not so easy. I hope you liked my little vlog. Thank you.